Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to print picture in Photopea. So let's started. At first, open your Photopea chapter. In this video, I will show print picture. Now you can see, now select from new project option. Now click. Now select from any size. Now select from create option. Now you can see, now going to the file menu option, then select from open and place option. Now select from any source picture. Now click for open. Now resize your picture. Now click from confirm option. Now you can see, now going to the again file menu option, then click. Now click from print option. Then we show new interface. Now select, we show the new project name and format, PDF, SVG, PNG and any source. Now we need this size and height. Now quality, now your choose from your need. Now we can see, now select from print option. Now select from any source option. Now select from all pages and custom. Now click from this source. Now click from print option. That it's. Now you can see print picture in Photopea document is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.